Hello students, how are you today? Hope you all are fine. Now I am taking class 8 chapter 11 force and pressure. Today we will be discussing force. Next lecture we will discuss pressure. Now force, you have seen a goalkeeper saving a goal, a hockey player flicking a ball, a fielder stopping a ball. What happens when a goalkeeper save a goal? He either stops a ball or either change the direction of the ball. A hockey player flicking a ball, he changes the direction of the ball or increases the speed of the ball. A fielder, everyone has seen a cricket. A fielder stops a ball. It retards the speed of the ball or stops the ball. What is this? This all says a push or a pull on an object is called force. A push or a pull on an object is called force. Push is dhakelna, pull is खींचना. Now take an example. Two friends pushing up a heavy load in the same direction. Pushing up a heavy load in the same direction, the load will move in the direction they are pushing. Now if they push in an opposite direction, suppose A and B is there, they are pushing in an opposite direction. The object will move in the direction of the magnitude greater force, of a greater force. Suppose A is applying a more force and B is applying a lesser force. So it will move in the direction of the force of A. Now what we get? What are the resultant we get? Forces apply on an object in the same direction add to one another. What I said, this will add, and this, if they are opposite in direction, it will net force will be the what will be the resultant? The net force. Direction जिसमें ज़्यादा होगा, that minus जिसमें कम होगा, उस direction में move कर जाएगा. Now you have seen your mother rolling a chapati with a dough. You take a dough, roll a chapati, the force changes the shape also. Another example is you sit in a bicycle seat, the spring presses the seat. The seat changes its shape. So the seat changes its shape, so force also changes the shape. Now what are all observation we have got? It either changes the direction, it either increases the speed of the motion, it either stops the object. If both they are applying in the opposite direction, if both the forces will be same, then the object will remain the stationary. So it stops the object or it changes the shape of the object. Now two main thing is that two things are required. One, the object in which the force is applied, and another object who is applying the force. Now there are two types of forces. One, contact force, two, non-contact force. Now contact force here you have seen the muscles of what? We are contacting the object now, and muscles pressure is applied. A and B are applying their muscle force. So this is muscular force. Now you have seen the object, a ball rolling in a ground stops at a distance when no force is applied to it. A bicycle, if you stop riding it, it stops at a distance. a scooty, you stops the engine, stops at a distance. Why it is so? Because the ground apply the friction force, the earth apply the friction force to it, which is opposite to the direction of the motion. So this is also a contact force, because a ball is in contact with the ground, that is earth. So this is also a contact force. Now what are non-contact force? You have seen the magnet, north pole, you keep it a distance apart. Keeping north pole side, what will happen? It will repel each other. Why? No contact is there, still they repel each other. Force is applied to between them. Then what is this? This is magnetic force. Now take north pole and south pole, that will attract each other with no contact between them. Then this is non-contact force and magnetic force, because they are magnet. Now electrostatic force, very good example is there. Take a scale, rub it in on your hair and put on the bits of paper just above, a bit distance above it. The bits of paper will attract to it. Why it is so? Because electrostatic force acts on the paper. Now gravitational force, you have seen object falling on the ground, water falling on the ground, when pour from a height, a ball falling from a ground when drop it from a height. Why it is so? It is due to gravity. Now in universe, every object have a force acting upon it, that is gravitational force. Since it is been in the distance, no contact is there. Suppose a ball, you fall it freely, no contact is there, but still the force will act, that is gravity. So no contact is there, so it is non-contact force. Hope everything is clear to all of you. Your feedback is important to us. Do give your feedback, and do tell me the next topic which should I take. First I'll take pressure, and then I'll take your queries. And one more important thing is that if you watch my video on Facebook or Instagram, do follow me on, do subscribe me on YouTube. Thank you.